Hey guys, this is your girl Missnaturalshay. Thanks for tuning into my channel. Today I have for you a DIY project on how I take all of these ingredients and make them into a laundry detergent. So if you would like to see how I do that, please stay tuned. Alright guys, so first we're going to start with the borax, and I'm just going to put about a half of the box inside because I want to layer it. That's about half. And next I'm going to put the Arm & Hammer Laundry Booster Super Washing Soda. That's about half. And then next, I'm going to put a half of the baking soda, Arm & Hammer baking soda. And then I'm going to take the ZOTE laundry flakes and put this one box, because I have two boxes, so I'm going to put the one box in now. And next, I'm going to take the OxiClean and put about half of it in there. And here we go with the PUREX crystals. It's in the lavender blossom scent, and it smells so good. I've never used the PUREX crystals until now, because usually I use the Game Fireworks. And I'm going to add this whole container. I will try to, because I'm not telling you guys the sizes of the boxes and containers that I'm using, but I will try to either put it in my description box or put it on the screen somewhere. So right now, I'm just taking a spoon and I'm mixing it all together. When I tell y'all this smells so good, it smells so good. I can't wait to try this out, guys. And if any of you guys that are watching, if you've ever done a made your own laundry detergent, please let me know. And let me know what kind of items that you use for your laundry detergent, whether it be the liquid kind or the powder form. So this looks pretty well mixed. So next, I'm just going to repeat the process, starting with my borax. I'm going to put the rest of it in here. And I also let you guys know what size container that I'm using. I just went to Dollar General and purchased this. It's actually called I believe a dish pan that you use to wash your dishes in your sink. And then here comes the laundry booster, Arm & Hammer Super Washing Soda. Put the rest of that in here. And make sure you guys that if you do make this or anything, that you recycle your containers. And then I'm putting in the baking soda. And that's going to be the rest of the baking soda. And I will also but I'll also put the prices in as well. And then I'm adding the OxiClean, the rest of my OxiClean. I love OxiClean, guys. If you guys haven't used OxiClean, and here's my PUREX crystals, the other container, because I use two containers in this recipe. But if you guys haven't used OxiClean, I so recommend it. And here's my second box of ZOTE laundry flakes. So now all I'm going to do is mix it all together very well. think this will last me for a while. Now I've heard, because I watch so many videos, and I've seen it on Pinterest and all that good stuff. So I've heard that you only need to use about 1 to 2 tablespoons per load. But then, of course, that depends on how soiled your clothes are, the stains and everything. So it basically depends on the person, because some people are heavy-handed with laundry detergent, and some people aren't, you know. But it all depends, and to each his own. But I heard that this can last up to a year, and I'm cool if it lasts me 3 months. Alright, now that I have it in this container, I will put it in the container that I will be using, and I'll keep the rest in a sealed airtight container so that it'll last me. Now here I have this container that I purchased from Dollar General. And it also came with a scoop that actually says that it's a 2 tablespoon measuring spoon. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in my laundry detergent into my container. And yes, it will get a little messy, but of course you guys, you're going to clean it up when you're done. I'm going to do 2 more spoons, and that'll be all. So now you have your container, and if you want, you can do another shake. If not, just keep it as is, and you have your measuring spoon, and that is all, guys. So guys, this is the end result. Here is my container that I will be using, and I'm going to store the rest of my laundry detergent. This was really quick and simple, and I'm hoping that it will be cost effective. So thanks again for tuning into my channel, and I will see you guys in my next one. Have a great one. Love you guys. Bye bye.